Hey guys, the company UWANT has just upgraded their wet dry vacuum cleaner, and today I'm going to go over its main features with you guys and take a look at how it compares to the Roborock F25 GT wet dry vacuum. So you may remember I recently reviewed the UWANT D100 wet dry vacuum cleaner not long ago and came away very impressed. Well, they actually just released their D600 wet dry vacuum cleaner, which includes some meaningful improvements over the D100. So it's still the same basic design as the D100, and it does look good. I do like this black finish compared to the white finish of the D100. And I like how easy it is to use with the ability to lay flat and the comfortable grip. It still has the waterproof brush and fully washable motor, along with a single 2-in-1 tank that separates the dirty and clean water. It does have new anti-tangle technology and a squeegee that helps with drying. Its main improvements, though, are with its suction power and its self-cleaning. So they've increased the suction substantially from an already powerful 18,000 pascals to 23,000 pascals, which is very powerful. As for the odor elimination and self-cleaning, this has been hugely upgraded. They still utilize a deodorizer stick with bioenzyme anti-odor technology, along with real-time electrolyzed water, but they've added a new RGB self-cleaning island that sterilizes and deep cleans, and it now does a heated wash, which literally takes boiling hot water and uses it to get rid of germs and residue. And it does a hot air drying for the ducts as well as the brush. And there's a new contact iron that gets hot and sterilizes even further with deep drying. It's a very impressive self-cleaning setup. The Roborock, on the other hand, does utilize heated water for self-cleaning, but it doesn't get as hot as the D600, and it doesn't have all those other functions. I do like the new display on the D600 as well. While both of them have audible notifications, the display shows you battery percentage, alerts, modes, that sort of thing. It would be nice if the Roborock provided that kind of visual indication. I also greatly prefer the base station setup for the D600 over the Roborock. For the D600, you just push it straight in, and it's very easy, and it automatically starts charging and running its self-cleaning cycle. For the Roborock, you have to physically lift it up and place it on the base. Not ideal, especially for people that have a hard time lifting things, and you still have to manually initiate cleaning. But how well do they actually clean your floors? The D600 actually surprised me at how much better it performs than the Roborock. In this video, for example, you can see they both seem to do well initially, but then you notice the Roborock actually left liquid down the side and actually pushed liquid in front of it, which you can't really see, but you can kind of tell. That's actually the reason why I went back over it with the D600. The D600 just consistently cleans well without needing multiple passes, and the same thing can't be said about the Roborock F25 GT. Cleaning the D600 itself is also easier. Like with the D100, you can take it apart and rinse it underwater like in a shower. It's very easy. The Roborock, on the other hand, specifically warns against getting water on it. So overall, I like the D600 a lot. It takes all the things I liked about the D100 and upgrades some key features to make it even better. I can solidly recommend it as a great wet dry vacuum cleaner and a great present as we go into the holiday season. As for pricing, I'll post a link in the description for you guys, but it's currently on sale on Amazon from $399 down to $350, which is a solid deal for what you get. And with Black Friday around the corner, we may see even better pricing. It's also very highly rated. Currently on Amazon, it's rated a 4.8 out of 5 stars with 73 reviews, and Amazon's AI summary of the reviews shows it excelling in cleaning effectiveness, battery life, self-cleaning, and drying. Let me know what you guys think, though, and let me know if you have any questions about the UWANT D600. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.